Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on Feral's Mad World, and this is Feral. So today in this vlog I would be talking about Ethiopian Great Famine. Have you heard about it? Yes, this famine happened in around 1983 to 1985, and in this famine around 1.2 million people were dead. Around 400,000 people as a refugee left the country. Around 200,000 people were orphanage, and this was a great disaster for the country. But why am I talking about this right now? Because poverty still exists in Ethiopia. Yes, this was 35 years back, but still in Ethiopia is the second poorest country in the Africa. So guys, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button, because that little notification bell button would keep you updated about all my videos. So please do it now. So why hunger in Ethiopia? Why there is always the food shortage in the country? Well, it is for the reason that the majority of the population relies on the daily rain for their livelihood. And so there is always the food crisis. So even after 40 years of famine, Ethiopia faces food security crisis, and Ethiopia is the second poorest country in Africa. So what are people doing about it? Well, there are NGOs and organizations which helps and which funds and which feeds the poor people of Ethiopia. And one of the company is Voltas D Institute, which funds and which helps the poor people in feeding them. So I got the privilege to be here, and I want to show you what exactly it is and how they do it.
My name is Tarfadinka. My job here is a responsible person for this elderly care center. It is Voluntas Day Catholic Secular Institute, and we are undertaking the services for the destitute elderly people here. We started in 2000. Our institute is started in 2004, and we are engaged to serve these people with meal and all the needed care for them. At this center we are serving about 100 people, and 25 people are having shelter here, those who are homeless and have no immediate family to care for them. Every day we provide them meal, and people are coming from outside and they are getting meal here. There is laundry availability. There is personal hygiene care here. There is bathrooms and a toilet. All of them have right to use them. And we have another site here outside of Addis Ababa in Durame, 350 kilometers. We have about 140 elderly people. These people are getting cash transfer money, and once a year we collected clothes from volunteers, and we bring them clothes there. And we have also in the western part of Ethiopia, in Naqamt and Dambidolo, we have about 80 in Naqamt, we have about 80 in Dambidolo, and we have an ASCO about 23 elderly people where we provide them cash transfer every month, and we visit them. And those who are living here will be also getting first aid medication, and they are also provided clothes, and we care for them with passion and with dignity, and they are happy. During this COVID time also we didn't stop providing food For those who are living here, they don't go out, they stay inside. And those who are coming from outside, they come and they collect their food. But today, they say that we bring them in the compound, they keep their distance, and they wash their hands properly, and they are getting their food together as a community. So there we are. But there are many people who are voluntarily coming and visiting and provide meal from their own pocket, and we are looking for some charitable people, those who have pity for elderly people, those who would like to assist these ostracized and marginalized elderly people. There is where we are. Thank you.
So guys, this is the kitchen, and every day they serve shuro or maybe misir wat, athar cake, different types of curry with injera or bread. So this is the place where they give home to 30 helpless people, and they also feed them, and this is how they stay in the room. It's a great initiative by this company who helps poor people not only by feeding them but also by giving them the place to stay, to have a shelter. Guys, we always have to remember the God, right, when we do good things, and we also have this food, clothes and shelter because of him. So before they start feeding the poor people, they always follow the ritual of praying. privilege to be serving this people, and it really got tears in my eyes. If you want to donate, you can come and donate to this place in kind and cash. This place is located in Piazza, so be generous and you can help people. They collect the cash from people and then they make food and they feed the people. This is how this institution works. Guys, this is so fantastic that even during the COVID times, they have not stopped feeding the people. This is a great initiative by Voluntas, the Institute, and there are many more organizations like this. But thank you so much for watching my vlog, and if you have enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.